Okay. So close method is basically to close the file objects, to close the database connections. Then you will call that object reference dot close method. Object reference dot close method you can call. So good practice always to call the close method and all the open streams or open database connections. You can close them with a close method that you will write inside the finally block. So that's all about finally. So I already given three keywords with a final, final, finalize, finally. This is one of the interview question. What is the difference between final, finalize, and finally? And so I already given each one a differentiator, but I'll give you again one more time. And next keyword is we have seen till now try, catch, finally. Then another two keywords we have throw keyword. So throw keyword is used to explicitly throw your customized message. You want to throw your customized message. Then you can use a throw keyword. We can throw either checked or unchecked exception in Java by throw keyword. The throw keyword is mainly used to throw custom exception. So throw keyword is mainly used to throw custom exception. You want to throw your custom exception message. You remembered I have written in the array programs, one of the array programs, find max and minimum. I have written throw new illegal argument exception. And I have written my own message. So that is, so we are doing our own. So such kind of things if you want to do, and you will use this array index out of bounds. Now throw keyword, you can give your own exception message. You can give your own exception message with that. So that is one of the, I don't know whether you remember or not. So if you give an invalid array input, I have given. I declared if array length is 0, and I have written throw new illegal argument exception, then I have specified that illegal argument exception, something like that. See now here it's the syntax of throw keyword is throw new exception class and error message. Now you see what you call this. Already asked at that time also. Again, I'm asking you.
Sorry, wait, I definitely wrote this down the other day so I don't mess it up.
But what you call this?
The whole thing is object.
Object, right? It's a whole thing is an object. But what is this?
That part is the constructor.
Constructor. So what type of constructor?
Parameterized constructor.
Parameterized constructor, right? See, you're passing the string value for this class, this constructor. So that's the concepts, right? You're throwing your custom message here. Basically, arithmetic exception message is different. You're overriding with the throw keyword. Your custom message you're now throwing. So that is possible if you want to override system generated messages or old messages. You want to give your own message, then you have to use throw key. Then you have to use throw key. So throw keyword is used. Throw your custom messages. So to throw a custom message, and you will use this throw keyword. Okay. So that's a throw keyword. And if you see this public class throw example, and method inside only will call that a throw keyword. If student is less than 12 and student weight less than 40, throw new arithmetic exception. Student is not eligible for registration. Say this message is different and this message is different. You can give your custom message. So to throw your custom message, you will use a throw keyword, but within the method body. You have to use throw keyword within the method body, and throw is followed by an object. So these are all the points. Throw is followed by an object. Throw is used within the method body. Throw is used to declare your custom exception message. So that is the all about throw keyword. Okay. Now, so let's go and see next throws keyword. So Java throws keyword. Java throws keyword is used to declare an exception. So Java throws keyword is used to declare an exception at a compile time itself. You want to declare your custom message, then you will use a Java throws keyword. So what it will do now in the while writing the code itself, it gives an information to the programmer. So there may occur some information. So okay, this line is giving an exception, so better to handle the exception so that normal flow will be maintained. So exception handling is mainly used to handle the checked exceptions. So if there occurs any unchecked exception, such as null pointer exception, so it is a programmer's fault that he is not performing checkup before the code being used. So you're getting a null pointer exception means you are not checking the value is passing to that variable properly or not. You declared a variable null, fine, but make sure it is passing the value next after null. If value is null, you cannot perform the operation on that variable. So that is one thing we have to take care. And so this throws keyword, you will declare. So at compile time itself. So this is the compile time exception. So this will be handled. And okay, so we have a try catch, right? Why do you need again throws keyword to handle the exceptions? We can handle with a try catch. That's one of the good question, right? Why you want to use again throws keyword? So why the reason is, let me show you. So the reason is, you see that. See, I can handle this try catch and catch, right? This is the one. Suppose you have like this many methods, and is it becoming very lengthy or not?
Yes.
So it is becoming very lengthy. Like that, you have multiple methods in the same class, and your class will look very bigger. So to avoid unnecessary long and less readable, what people will do, instead of try catch blocks, you can declare the exception, whatever that is, in the compile time itself, in the method signature. So here itself you can declare. You don't need this try catch and these many lines of code. You don't need. Just simply say here throws arithmetic exception, comma throws null pointer exception. You can declare multiple exceptions also after throws keyword. So that is the, so it will be more so optimized code. You don't need to be written multiple like this. Public void my method, see, throws arithmetic exception, comma null pointer exception. See, same method signature line itself, we are mentioning throws keyword. So, and throws is followed by exception classes. So that's the difference between throw and throws. So, and throw and throws, you're just declaring in the method signature line itself. And throws is followed by an exception class. Even though you can write more than one exception class also. That's the example of a throws keyword. Why you need a throws keyword, even though if you have a try catch blocks, so that it will be so reduced length of the code and less readable. So in order to avoid that, people will go for throws keyword. They will declare directly exceptions here, so that it will save the number of lines of code. Okay, so what is the difference between throw and throws keyword? Java throw keyword is used to explicitly throw an exception, and Java throws keyword is used to declare an exception. Checked exception cannot be propagated using throw, and checked exception can be propagated with throws. Throw is followed by an instance, that is an object. Throws is followed by class. Throw is used within the method, and throws is used with the method signature. You cannot throw multiple exceptions, but you can declare multiple exceptions with throws, right? So this is all I have shown you. Throw is used within the method. Throws is used with the method signature. Throw is followed by an instance. Throws is followed by a class. So you cannot throw multiple exceptions, but you can declare multiple exceptions with the throws keyword. Say public void method throws IO exception, comma SQL exception, like that. So you can declare multiple exceptions with the throws keyword. So these are the very important interview question. So another interview question, the difference between final, finally, and finalize. So there are many differences between final, finally, and finalize. So let's list out. A final keyword is applied on the class, method, and variable. Final class cannot be inherited. Final method cannot be overridden, and final variable value cannot be changed. And finally is it's in a block. Finally is a block. So you want to execute any important code inside that, you will put in the finally block. It gets executed always. So whether you got an exception or not, both cases it will execute. And finalize is a method in the object class. So it is used to perform the cleanup processing just before object is garbage collected. Finally is a keyword. Finally is a block. Finalize is a method in the object class. So this is the very important interview questions, and all HackerRank problems are also there. If you want, you can solve all this one by one. Okay. So I have given the HackerRank problems. Yeah, I think, did I tell you to open an HackerRank account? and try to
I
solve that.
just mentioned it once. I tried
Yeah.
checking it out. Mhm.
Yeah, can you create one HackerRank account and try to solve first easy problems, Java, select the Java and try to, you can write the code there also, okay?
Mhm.
So if you have any problems, no, we can discuss them,
Mhm.
okay?
Sure.
Yeah. So that's all about exception handling. So next class we'll plan for programs. I'll show you the programs
Mhm.
and so we'll meet on Monday, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all the best, prepare very well and come back, okay?